Hello dear students, welcome back to this episode of chemistry class. In this video, you will be learning about the electrolysis of acidified water. Please look at the diagram. Acidified water is taken as an electrolyte. Here the platinum electrodes are used. The hydrogen gas is formed at the cathode and the oxygen gas is obtained at the anode. And a battery of 12 volt is used. Electrolytic cell, Hoffman's voltameter. The reason it consists of three interconnected glass tubes. The central tube is used for adding or pouring acidulated water. Side tubes are used for collecting products of electrolysis. Electrolyte, distilled water containing a small amount of sulfuric acid, that is 2% H2SO4. The reason pure water is a very weak electrolyte. However, addition of sulfuric acid helps in the ionization of water molecules into hydrogen and hydroxyl ions and makes it a good conductor of electricity. Dilute sulfuric acid is preferred to nitric acid for acidification, as nitric acid is volatile and nitrate radical interferes with the electrolytic reaction. My dear students, volatile means it can easily convert into vapor or it can easily evaporate even at room temperature. Electrodes. Inert electrodes are used. Cathode, platinum strip of foil. Anode, platinum strip or foil. Reason: inert electrodes of platinum are used so that they do not react with the products formed during electrolysis. Temperature: room temperature is maintained. The reason: no heating is required as acidified water contains sufficient number of cations, that is H plus ions, and anions, that is OH minus ions. Current: a direct current of 12 volt and 3 ampere is used. The reason: to bring about the process of electrolysis. Dissociation of the electrolyte. Water dissociates into hydrogen and hydroxyl ions, whereas sulfuric acid dissociates into hydrogen and sulfate ions. Electrode reaction. On the passage of electric current, hydrogen ions, that is the cations, they migrate towards the cathode and hydroxyl and sulfate migrate towards the anode. The reason: the ions migrate because cathode attracts the positively charged hydrogen ions and the anode attracts the negatively charged hydroxyl and sulfate ions. We know that the cations migrate towards the cathode and the anions migrate towards the anode. Cations are positively charged, anions are negatively charged, and the cathode is negatively charged and the anode is positively charged. Reaction at the cathode: hydrogen ions gain electron and forms hydrogen atom which is unstable. Two hydrogen atoms they combine to form a hydrogen stable molecule. Here also please note that hydrogen molecule is a diatomic molecule. It means its one molecule contains two atoms in it. Hydrogen gas is liberated, hydrogen evolved is equal to 2 volumes. Reactions of the anode: OH minus minus 1 electron gives OH. 4 such OH gives O2 plus 2 water. Oxygen gas is liberated. Compared to 2 volumes of hydrogen liberated, a cathode 1 volume of oxygen is liberated at anode. Sulfate ions do not discharge because their reduction potential is far higher than that of OH minus ions. And one more reason is that due to the position in the metal activity series or electrochemical series. My dear students, I hope that you all understood the contents of this video. Thank you for watching this video.